Hey investors, so someone asked on YouTube what my answers were to those 9 questions I asked on the street. So here are my answers. So the first question was, what would I do if I won £3 million on the lottery? So personally, I would blow 500, call it £1 million, just to buy all the capital purchases that I need: cars, boats, planes, helicopters, all that sort of stuff. And once I've got all of that, I'll simply dump £2 million into a fire and forget fund. I swear someone was at the door there. There's a really good fund out there by a guy called Andrew Craig, who wrote the great book called How to Own the World. And basically, if you put money into a fire and forget fund or a cockroach portfolio, basically something which is bulletproof no matter what goes on in the world, statistically speaking, you'll churn out at least 7% per year. So what is the maths on that? If I put 2 million, well, I need a calculator, sorry. So £2 million into that churns out 7% per year, so that's 140 grand per year, minus taxes, 5.7, let's call it 100k a year after the taxes. So yeah, so basically, if you put £2 million into one of these fire and forget funds that chucked out 7% per year, after taxes, I'm being very rough here, it would leave you with about 8.5 grand per month. So you have no excuses to go bust, or yeah, after that. So moving on, next question is, do you invest? Yeah, I'm a full-time investor. 3, what's the best asset I've ever bought? It's a bit weird. Courses. So I've done a lot of business courses and marketing courses and stuff like that, where I've paid thousands of pounds to go to like a weekend seminar, etc. It would have to be one of them. Yeah, it's no real thing, and all the businesses I've set up have been basically with a laptop and a phone, so I haven't really, so it would have to be the personal education, really. Boring answer, I know. Number 4, what's the best thing to invest in at the moment? I would say cryptocurrencies. So I'm heavily into cryptos right now, even though they are the biggest bubbles human history has ever seen. They really are a bubble, and it will pop. It's the tech bubble 2.0 pretty much. However, it's the public that come rushing in at the last minute that pops bubbles, and right now the public are not touching, or they're not even aware of cryptocurrencies right now, and being very conservative. Less than 1 in 500 people are investing in cryptos at the moment. So yeah, cryptos at the moment, just to buy, hold and leave it for a good few years. So do I own any cryptocurrencies? Yes, I do. Number 6, how many self-help books do I read per year? I don't actually read, I listen. So I've mentioned this before, I've got a cool app on my phone called Audible. It's this little orange thing here, you probably can't see it. But basically, yeah, I listen to audiobooks, and I go through about 4 per month on average. If I'm slacking, probably 3 per month. And the thing is, a normal book is about a book of that size is about 4 to 6 hours long on an audio book, but on Audible, do it times 2 speed. So basically I can read a whole book in 2 or 3 hours. So yeah, 4 per month normally. What do I think of what do you think of financial traders? A lot of things actually. So at any one time, there's about 100,000 retail traders here in the UK, and a retail trader is like Joe Public, you and I. The thing is, 96,000 of them are losing at any point in time. So yeah, most people are losing on the market. So I have thoughts and opinions of the different types of traders out there. So the city traders, so the proprietary trading bank traders, what do I think of them? I think they're skilled people for what they do. Some of them don't have morals. Some of them, are trading against pension funds. So yeah, when they win money, they're basically taking people's pension money. But yeah, they're just professionals at the end of the day. Retail traders, so the average Joe, I feel that most people are idiots on the market because most people are day trading, and day trading is the silliest thing to do ever. Why, why chain yourself to you know, some charts for 5 hours a day? You're basically just buying yourself a job which is paying you far less and it's far more risky. So yeah, but those that treat trading properly and you treat it like a 5 to 10 year play, yeah, they're my people. Am I a business owner? Yep. And the worst, and the last but not least, worst ever financial mistake. Oh, I've made loads. I've made loads. I lost 15 grand in a trade in under a minute once. I lost 50 grand of trading in my first year. That was pretty painful. I invested in a VR company last year, in fact, and they tried to steal 75 grand off me. That didn't go well. I'm too trusting, that's my thing. I've made loads. I don't have a single thing, and I suppose that goes back to my mentality of that life, similar to trading, you should only have small wins, small losses, and huge monumental wins, okay? You shouldn't ever have a thing that will wipe you out. So small wins, small losses, massive wins. So yeah, that's pretty much what I do. So they're my answers to those questions, and hopefully someone will take some sort of value from it. So, see you soon. Subscribe. Yeah, subscribe.